Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I already have my foundation and concealer on. So moving it to eyes, I am going to be using this shade right here. It's called 1988. This is the Amrezy palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's a beautiful chocolate brown color and I am applying it with a brush that it came with. I'm just creating an arch, having this crease shade really pigmented, and then I will be blending it out. So next, I'm just going to apply this color right here called OG, and it's a really pretty light caramel color. I am applying it with a blending brush from ColourPop, and I'm just mixing both of these two shades together, or not mixing, blending rather, and trying to get rid of that harsh line. I am going to mix a little bit of that 1988 shade, just like dip it in there and then dip it back into OG, tap off the excess, and just blend those two shades together. I'm just taking a fluffier brush with no product on there just to blend one last time. This brush I think is from the Morphe Jaclyn Hill collection, the JH40. To cut the crease, I'm using the P. Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumor 02. I'm using a small detailed concealer brush to really clean up and carve out that crease. Next, I'm just going to take this really pretty dark bronze color and apply it on my lid. I'm using a MAC 242 brush. I wanted to add a little bit more gold, so I'm just going to use this shade right here called Dragon. I did wet my brush for this one and applying it right over top. I wanted to use some glitter, so I'm going to use this shade right here called Gemini. It's more of like a, like I said, like a chunky glitter eyeshadow. So I'm just applying that right over top. I'm taking these two shades right here and I'm going to deepen up that outer corner right here. I really wanted to blend it into the glitter so it looks just more of like a nice gradient smoky eye. So now I'm just going to finish off the eyes. I'm going to add some liquid liner just to hide the lash band. This is from Hank & Henry. It is their Slick With It Long Wear Liquid Eyeliner. It is amazing. I got it in my BoxyCharm a couple months ago. Absolutely love it. Also going to be wearing some false lashes and mascara. I will put the names and where I get my lashes down below. I'm going to apply this eye pencil in the waterline. I love using a light color like this. It really just opens up the eye and makes it look more awake. This is just from Sephora in the shade Coconut. It is a 12-hour eyeliner, so I absolutely love it. I'm just going to add a little bit more of that dark shade on the outer corner, connecting it to the lower lash line as I smoke that out. So I'm just going to bronze up the face a little bit, bring life back to it, I guess you could say. I am just going to use the Cover FX Monochromatic Bronzer Duo. This is in the shade Sunkissed Bronze, and I just love this for, like I said, warming up the face. I like to use it on my cheekbones, forehead, jawline, and a little bit on the tip of my nose. For blush, I got this in my BoxyCharm. I think it's a Ciate London or Ciate London. It's their Marbled Light in the shade Halo. And it's just a really pretty mauve, and I absolutely love it for my skin tone. I'm going to add some highlight on my cheekbones. I'm using the Burberry Fresh Glow highlighter in the color Rose Gold. I'm just going to contour my nose a little bit and slim it down, make it nice and narrow. I like using the Too Faced bronzer for that. It's the Chocolate Soleil. It's in the shade Medium Deep. And yeah, it's not too red or anything, so it's just like a really nice shade to contour your nose with. I'm just taking a fluffy brush with some setting powder on here and just kind of blending everything together, making sure I have no harsh lines and everything is nice and set. I'm going to set my face using the Cover FX Rose Quartz Setting Elixir. So for the lips, I wanted to use like a berry tone just to make it really nice and vibrant. So I'm going to use both of these from Buxom Cosmetics, their Plump Line Lip Liner in the shade Scandalous, and then their lipstick in the shade Lover. It is a really beautiful creamy lipstick, and then I'm also going to use the brush on the lip liner just to kind of overline my lips. I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!